the word never is never used because no one is absolute. Never is an absolute, right? Except the only time I've ever heard anybody in a seminar say never is that children should never snore. If they have a cold, they have some nasal thing, they might snore because they have some congestion. But if they routinely snore, children should not snore. And so people think snoring's funny. You see it in the cartoons, right? The guy snoring and the walls are moving in and out, and people are in the house next door can hear the guy snoring. But snoring's no joke, and especially in children.